Make everyone great again. This is big.
It's possible if we work together.
If we do it globally like he did or they did,
it's gonna work.
For the elders, kids, our world back, and equality.
It's gonna work.
Every once in a while, a symbol of hope breaks through. What if I told you we could change the world, the pandemic, humanity, and the world? We can create a force that has long since been forgotten and change the world again. It's time we gather everyone and do the right thing. Spread goodwill messages that don't require fact checks. It's time we do something that truly benefits everyone. Join us. Speak humanity. Make everyone great again.